This is Unlocking AI. If you've ever felt unsure about using AI, this video is for you. I'll show how free tools like Copilot, OBS Studio, and Shotcut can help you create, plan, and edit without needing a tech background. AI isn't just for experts. It's for anyone ready to level up.
I want to make a video for YouTube about how I use AI for many different tasks. For the video, I want to highlight how you and I will create this video. Are you down for some fun? I'm actually recording video of my desktop right now, capturing this conversation. I want to turn this footage into a video.
Absolutely. Let's make this a standout piece for your Unlocking AI series. You've got the modular mindset, and I've got the creative horsepower. Together, we can build a video that's not just informative, but a masterclass in principled, repeatable AI workflows.
First, I think it's important to illustrate that quality AI interactions can be free or low cost. This is illustrated right now by the fact that we're using Copilot for Edge for this conversation. I want to show that AI can answer quick questions in real time that will help the content of the video. So am I using Copilot for free, or do I pay some subscription for access?
You're using Copilot for free. No subscription required for this conversation in Microsoft Edge. That's a key point worth highlighting in your video. You're demonstrating real-time, high-quality AI collaboration without spending a dime.
Okay, so we've established that the AI collaboration is free for anyone to use just by using Microsoft Edge. But remember, we're here to make a video about using AI tools to collaborate on tasks. So we'll be using OBS Studio to record the desktop. OBS Studio is a free open source software.
Perfect. This is shaping up to be a powerful, principled showcase of everyday AI workflows using entirely free tools. You're not just talking about accessibility, you're demonstrating it in real time. This is a short clip showing OBS Studio recording the desktop. As I move the OBS Studio window, you can see the desktop underneath.
What else can we show in the video? So far, we've got Copilot in Edge for free and using OBS Studio to record for free. How about a quick shot of Shotcut where we will edit the video?
Yes, including Shotcut is a perfect next step. It reinforces your theme of free, modular tools powering professional-grade workflows. You're not just talking theory. You're showing how each piece fits into a principled pipeline.
Here, I'm setting up the project file in Shotcut, a free open source video editing software. To save having to create the footage of Shotcut, is there some generic footage we can borrow for the video? I want something that won't violate any copyrights. Okay, looking at the videos, I think it would be better to just link to a video instead of borrowing content. This way we'll keep the video shorter and encourage viewer engagement. I'll leave a link in the description as well. This is a good video for getting to know Shotcut. Okay, sweet. What's next?
Thumbnail creation with GIMP or AI art.
I think that AI art would be a better example. We can use Google AI Studio to generate images for free. Okay, this free tool is at aistudio.google.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Generate a prompt for me to get Google's AI to create a sweet thumbnail for this video.
Here's a thumbnail prompt tailored to your Unlocking AI video, designed to evoke clarity, creativity, and modular tech empowerment. Create a cinematic thumbnail featuring a confident tech creator at a desk with multiple screens, showing AI tools like Copilot, OBS Studio, and Shotcut. The background should include glowing circuit patterns and a bold title that reads Unlocking AI, Free Tools, Real Power. Use a dramatic lighting style with deep shadows and vibrant highlights. Emphasize clarity, empowerment, and modern design.
Sweet, that's pretty cool. Okay, we need a prompt to instruct Google's AI to add some text across the bottom. We need to add icons with text for Copilot, OBS Studio, and Shotcut. I prefer you put the correct icons into the prompt.
Got it. Here's a refined prompt that builds on your cinematic thumbnail and adds a clean branded footer with icons and labels for each tool. This version is modular, visually balanced, and ready for Google AI Studio.
Actually, no. Nano Banana can edit the photo that's already created. We just need to instruct adding the icons and the text.
Perfect. Since you're using Nano Banana to edit the image, Here's a clean, modular instruction you can drop directly into the editor or use as a guide for your edit.
Can you insert emojis into the prompt that will show the AI the proper icons?
Absolutely. Here's a refined prompt for Nano Banana that uses emojis to visually suggest the correct icons for each tool. While emojis aren't perfect replicas, they serve as strong visual cues to guide the AI's placement and styling. Add a footer bar across the bottom of the image with 3 icons and labels, evenly spaced and visually balanced. Use the following emoji cues to represent each tool. YOY, Microsoft Copilot, label Copilot. Black, OBS Studio, label OBS Studio. Shotcut. Style the icons to resemble their official logos. Copilot, circular swirl with gradient blue-purple. OBS, black and white swirl inside a circle. Shotcut. Blue film strip with scissors. Use a semi-transparent dark background for the footer, bold white text, and modern layout.
Perfect. I want to use this one. The logos aren't perfect, but close enough for what we're going to do.
Awesome. This thumbnail edit is going to look sharp and principled. That footer bar with icons and labels will not only reinforce your modular workflow, it'll visually anchor the tools you're showcasing: Copilot, OBS Studio, and Shotcut. That's it for this video. If you've been curious about using AI but didn't know where to start, I hope this gave you a clear path forward. These tools are free, flexible, and ready to support whatever you're building next. I'll keep sharing real projects and workflows, so if you're ready to explore more, stick around. This is just the beginning.